Hello, kids. Shall we go to the canteen today? I think you all like it. Now we have come to the canteen. Look, what can you see there? Yes, a lot of food items. Who is this? She is the canteen keeper. Who is this? She is the helper. You can see a lot of children. What are they doing? This girl is drinking water. This girl is washing her hands. These children are eating. Some children are waiting in a line to buy their food items. Now look here. What is this? This is the food timetable. Can you read it aloud? Okay, let's read. Monday, rice and curry. Monday, rice and curry. Fruits and ice cream. Fruits and ice cream. Rice and curry. බත් සහ ව්‍යංජන. Fruits. පළතුරු. Tuesday. Green gram. Green gram. මුං ඇට. Fruits and ice cream. Wednesday. Chickpea. 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 කඩල. Fruits and ice cream. String hoppers. String hoppers. ඉන්දියාප්ප. Thursday. Veggie pittu. Milk rice. Milk rice. Kiribati. Fruits and ice cream. Friday. Veggie roti. Fruits and ice cream. Hoppers. Hoppers. Up. Let's read again. Monday. Rice and curry. Fruits and ice cream. Tuesday. Green gram. Fruits and ice cream. Wednesday. Chickpea. Fruits and ice cream. String hoppers. Thursday. Veggie pittu. Milk rice. Fruits and ice cream. Friday. Veggie roti. Fruits and ice cream. Hoppers. Now tell me, what can you eat on Tuesday? What can you eat on Tuesday? On Tuesday you can eat only green gram and fruits and ice cream. What can you see? What can you eat on Thursday? You can eat veggie pittu, milk rice, fruits and ice cream. What can you eat on Monday? Rice and curry, fruits and ice cream. What can you eat on Friday? Veggie roti, fruits and ice cream, hopper. Look at these children. They are saying something. Let's read them. I want an ice cream. I want an ice cream. I want a mango. I want a mango. I want an apple. I want an apple. I want. I want. මොකද්ද පැටවුනේ? I want කියන්නේ මට ඕන. මට අවශ්‍යයි. කැන්ටින් එකට ගිහින් පුතාලා එහෙනම් ඉල්ලන්න බලන්න. මට ඕන කට්ලට් එකක්. I want a cutlet. මට ඕනි පැටිස් එකක්. I want a patties. මට ඕනි ෆෑන්කේක් එකක්. I want a pancake. මට ඕන රෝල් එකක්. I want a roll. මට ඕන pastry එකක්. I want a pastry. Like that you practice. Putala, now you see the page 48 of your workbook. Match the food with the date. First, you write the date here. Wednesday, the 8th of November 2020. තාලා හැමදාම වැඩ පටන් ගන්නට කලින් ඩේට් එක දාන්න. කලින් පිටුවලක් දාන්න ඕනේ. හොඳේ? Right. Match the food with the day. Can you read these words? Rice and curry, green gram, veggie roti, pittu, chickpeas. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Children, you have to match the food with the day. Look at the food timetable in your pupils book. Pupils book එකේ තියෙන food timetable එක බලලා match කරන්න. Activity 2. Complete the sentences. පුතාලා කලින් match කරපු එක දිහා බලලා තමයි මේවට උත්තර ලියන්න ඕනේ. First one, I like veggie roti on. I like veggie roti on Friday. I like veggie roti on Friday. I like chickpeas on. You have to write the answer in the blank. I like green gram on. Write the answer. I like rice and curry on. You have to write the answer. I like pittu on. Write the answer. Okay, children, that's the end of today's lesson. Let's meet tomorrow with a lesson like this. Bye for now. Have a nice day.